Sorry ass DJ.
My name is Roger Mendoza Hipolito from BSc 1C subject in Physics for Engineers. Our topic is all about the conservation of mechanical energy. So, we have here an example about conservation of mechanical energy. Example, a 55 kilogram skateboarder enters a ramp moving horizontally with a speed of 6.5 meter per second and then leaves the ramp moving vertically with a speed of 4.1 meter per second. The question is, find the height of the ramp assuming no frictional forces. So, to help us to visualize, we have a figure here. So assume that this is our initial. In this problem, we choose the bottom of the ramp as the reference point of our solution. And our gravitational energy, is equal to 0. At this point, we have at this point on the initial, we have initial velocity is equal to 6.5 meter per second, which is the given or the speed of the skateboarder in the initial velocity. And in our final velocity, which is ito, ang given ng final velocity is 4.1 meter. It's equal to 4.1 meter per second. So that is the given on the final velocity. So we ask to find the height of the ramp assuming no frictional forces. To find the height, we simply set the initial kinetic energy equal to final energy. So in this initial, we have kinetic energy is equal to, which is the unknown, and the potential energy is equal to 0. As I said, we have kinetic energy is equals to unknown, and potential energy is equals to 0. We use it to solve the height. And in our final velocity, we have also kinetic energy, which is equal to unknown, and our potential energy is also unknown. So to solve, we have energy initial is equal to energy final. So to solve this, we have energy initial is equal to energy final. So in our equation, we have kinetic energy initial plus potential energy initial is equal to kinetic energy final plus potential energy final. Ang value ng kinetic energy natin is equal to 1/2. So 1/2 mass times velocity initial is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity final squared plus mass gravity ny final. And again, our y final, which is ito, ay equal siya kay height. So, that's why pwede na natin i-cancel itong mass. So, cancel mass. So, for solving the y final, we use the equation gravity y final is equal to 1 half times mass velocity initial squared minus 1 half times mass velocity final squared. So, we divide both sides by g to cancel g. So, cancel. So now, height or the y final now is equal to 1 half initial velocity squared minus final velocity squared over gravity, which is ito lang din yan. So now is or the y final is equal to b initial squared minus d final squared over gravity over or divided by 2g. So our height or the y final now, by substituting the value, we have b initial, which is 6.5 meter per second. 6.5 meter per second. Quantity squared minus the b final, which is 4.1 meter per second quantity squared over 2, which is the gravity or the value of gravity is 9.81 meter per second squared. So now, by calculating, we have height or the y final now is equal to 1.3 meter. This is our example for the conservation of mechanical energy. That's all.